my luck, the questions which were from
Correct.
test series only, so it was.
And I used to like start crying only, not even like getting depressed or sitting silent. I used to start crying. मुझे नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे गलत decision. I used to say literally these words. And one thing which I will recommend others to do, like revision, which was initially I did not start revising.
Yeah.
So you should start revision from initially. You should not wait last 3 months. I will revise last 2 months. Don't wait for that time because it will be too late. It was very commendable. Your lectures were like, because ENT na I had kept for last 1 year because I don't want to touch ENT.
Which books would you recommend? Or maybe what were you referring? Initially, Honey was scoring around 200, 250 in the grand test, and then it progressed to 300. How did that progress happen from 250 to 300?
Many MCQs you solve, that will help you.
Correct.
So I used to just few tests. So even if you look at the solution, like there was med score,
Yeah.
score, comma scale. So this all things I studied through MCQs. Magnum Opus helped me strengthen my that thing about asserting reasoning, logical questioning.
When you saw the paper AIPGG 25, did you feel any similarity or difficulty level with our test series that we give you all for practicing? I remember Dr. Viren was always showing me so many screenshots that Astha sent him about so many doubts. So did that help you out? Hello everyone. Welcome to Magnum Opus, India's largest edtech platform for homeopathy. Today we have with us Dr. Honey Oswal, who has secured All India rank 20 and Maharashtra rank 1st. She has done her graduation from Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune. Also we have with us Dr. Astha Dubey, who has secured All India rank 54. She's done her graduation from CMP Mumbai. Firstly, I would like to congratulate both of you. How are you feeling about it?
So firstly, it was like shocking for me because when the answer key was released, so when I saw the score, I did it. So it was not that much. It was like only 260 or 270. So the result came. I was like, how? I told everyone, my mom, my dad, my brother, ki aap dekho, you check for me because it's.
You were shocked.
Yeah, very very shocked. I was not. I started crying. My brother is like, are you mad? You have did it, you are not confident with you. I was like, no, it was a bit shocking for me. But yeah, and first I saw only the marks 324, I was happy. Then All India rank 20, I saw it later, like after like 15-20 minutes, like I was just seeing and I was like, All India 20, I said, Bhaiya, he check for me कि यही marks मतलब मेरा ही result है ना. So he was like, yes, All India rank 20. And about Maharashtra state, when I got to know the second day, when like Magnum posted that, so my mom saw and my mom read everything, and she was like, "कि Maharashtra में first आई है तू?" मैं बोली नहीं, बोले हाँ, it's written here, and I was like, oh God. So
what was your family's reaction? They were very happy.
Yeah, they were तो like firstly my dad was like कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? तू तो बोली थी 270 मिल रहे फिर ऐसे कितना?
So basically, you did not count it well.
Yeah, some mistake
You
happened.
missed it, yeah.
I missed it. Some calculation में कुछ तो गलती हुई and after the result came and I was like, wow, I was so happy. It was shocking for me and plus happy.
That's great. What about Astha, you?
For me, the rank was totally unexpected. I did not expect 54 rank. I knew my marks when I saw the answer key. But yeah, when I gave the exam and I came, then I was all shattered. I was thinking that I have attempted around 108 questions. And I was just thinking that, they discuss on the group, this answer is correct, this answer is correct. Yeah. All answers are coming wrong only. This I have attempted and this is wrong, this I have attempted. So I was not expecting the marks. But when the answer key got released and when I checked, then my score was around 302.
Okay.
So I messaged sir also. Sir, I told that you can tell me your marks, and also I messaged sir, I'm getting this many marks. So sir told, don't worry, you will come in top 100, you will get your college, don't worry. So then I was a little relaxed. So I was assured that I will come in the top 100, but not 54 ranks. So that was unexpected. And when the result came also, I was outside somewhere. I was coming from some hospital and I was outside only. My friend told me that result aa gaya, check kar. So I was checking and I'm calling all my family members to tell the result. No one is picking up my phone. No one is picking up my phone. I went home and then I told them and they were also
very happy.
No one expected me. Actually, no one expected to get this rank, and so that everyone was happy.
Very happy. Ought to be, because it's a very good rank. Like 20 and 54 something, which is a big achievement. Okay. And while we were going through the records, we came to know that I think Honey joined Magnum Opus in I think around July. So you had exactly 11 months to prepare with us. So what was your strategy? Like, your routine, your strategy? How is it?
Initially, though, I was very like not sure whether I have to pursue MD or directly I want to start the clinic. So I joined because I was seeing my friends around me, they were preparing, and I am just like I was preparing for like clinic stuff and all, but that too not much, because being with internship then everywhere we're doing job, but I was not that much like I have to do job वगैरह. So I was very confused. So in that about Magnum Opus, I knew through my seniors, and I
Okay.
knew sir because he's our
Correct.
college senior. So I was like ki, if I want to do MD, I will do from Magnum Opus only, I will join that only. So after I guess after my PhD posting, when I was having my surgery posting, I was seeing everyone were doing some or the other work. I was just reading Alan throughout that, like no, not with the aim of doing MD,
Correct.
but for
Not with that
knowledge.
intention. Yeah.
But for my knowledge. So then I decided that I will join Magnum Opus. Then I contacted sir. He told me everything. He guided me very well, and I have that matlab, faith in him also and Magnum Opus, that if I will do I will do this and I can matlab, at least qualify to ho jaungi. Itna tha. So I joined like I guess in July, mid July, some about I joined, and then that when I joined, initially I was consistent. Like 1-2 posting, I was consistent of my internship. Like I used to spare time and I used to study, whether it's early morning or in between the internship duties वगैरह. But as postings got I had Canto up in August or October, some about I had Canto. Everything left. Matlab, I was not in touch with the
Because
studies.
it's quite a hectic posting,
Yeah,
cantonment
yeah.
posting that you get.
Yeah, and also that time I joined outside clinic.
Okay.
Because just college posting was not that useful for me. So I thought I should join outside also. So I joined hospital outside. So doing my college internship and my hospital duty, it was getting very hectic for me to study consistently. But I was doing medicine like time nikal ke. I used to do medicine like
Each
lectures
day,
whenever I used to get time, I used to watch the lectures. I used to make keynotes and matlab, key
Correct,
points,
yeah.
and I used to prepare my notes. So medicine was consistent, materia medica also then छूट गया था बीच में, लाइक पढ़ना वगैरह कभी कभार टाइम मिलता था नाइट ड्यूटीज में वगैरह, तो आई यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग एलन. बट हॉस्पिटल में वही होता था कि यू आर सिटिंग, फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू कम, अरे कितना पढ़ रही है ये वो. देन आउटसाइड ड्यूटीज में इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि यू आर सिटिंग एंड पेशेंट यूज्ड टू कम और you have to go for your duty वगैरह. So it was not consistent. Then I left hope कि नहीं होगा. So I left studying completely till December, January, like I was not there. Then in January again I decided कि अभी internship भी खत्म होने वाली है. It's like 2 months only.
Correct.
Now I have to do. So I then prepare a schedule. Magnum Opus schedule was there, but it was difficult for me to follow.
Cope up, correct, yeah.
So I prepared my own schedule. Like
Okay.
I used to study like 1 or like medicine वगैरह I used to give 2 या 3 hours a day. But बाकी subjects को I used to give 1 hour, और जो important था I
Correct.
studied that only. And this way I like.
You progressed.
Yes, I
Okay.
progressed through my study plan and all. But again, we had that college fest in February.
So again,
Then again through that internship last, you have to do your thesis submission वगैरह. Then you have to go for that document submit करने, this and that. So February, March also I was not that. Hardly I used to study 2 to 3 days hours a day.
Correct.
So then internship got over. Then my family started calling like कि अब हो गया है,
Come back.
Yes. And I was like if I went home,
then you won't be
पढ़ाई-
able to study.
Yeah, I
Correct.
won't be able to study because it's a comfort
Correct.
place. So I was like, no, I will stay in my hostel only and I will prepare. At least 3 months से at least I will qualify.
Correct.
But with a good score I want to
Yeah.
qualify. Not like ऐसे ही बस 2-3 marks से qualify होना. No. If I am doing, I have to qualify with good marks. So I like, मम्मी तो was like कि last day तक बोले कि come home. I didn't went, like after internship got over, I didn't went home till like exam date. I didn't went home. I studied. Then I made a plan. I used to get up like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Then I used to have कि सबसे पहले उठ के I had to study medicine, then surgery, then gynec, then materia medica, OM, repertory, FMT वगैरह. I studied very like superficially, only which I thought I felt
Correct.
important. That only I did of FMT and
Correct.
CM, and I refer source note and the mock test. And my luck, the questions which came, which were from
Correct.
test series only. So it was.
That's good. Astha, I think you joined in around October 24. So I think 8 months you had in your this thing where you could really give yourself. So how was your strategy?
Actually, my journey was a little different from Dr. Hani because my initial plan was not at all of doing MBA. During my internship, I was doing my OPDs and I was going to hospitals doing observership. So I was doing approximately like I was working from morning 9 to night 11 o'clock. I was from OPD
Oh.
hospital OPD because it was not in my plan only to do MBA.
Oh,
I was thinking that I'll do my internship, I'll complete my BHMS, get a degree, and work in hospital and start my clinic practice. This
Yeah,
was my initial
yeah.
plan. So, but things did not go as you planned. So, after my internship got over, then I started working in hospitals as an RMO, resident medical
okay.
officer. So, I joined actually, this was my mistake that I joined 2 hospitals at the same time.
That's
So
very
I used to
hectic.
do double duty because my aim was to do hospitals and clinics. So
Correct.
my aim was I'll gather some money for my clinic and all, and I'll gather experience, and then I'll start my clinic practice. So this was my plan, and then I started doing two duties, 9 hours morning duty and 10 hours night duty. This was my schedule till October. But then October came and I don't know what happened that I got exhausted only. I saw that I was not actually satisfied with what I was doing.
Okay.
I was thinking like now I studied 5 years homeopathy and our college has taught like brilliantly. They used to teach us
Yeah,
homeopathy
because it's a
and
very
they
good
used to
college.
motivate a lot
Yeah.
to practice homeopathy. And I thought that my habit छूट जाता है.
Correct.
Homeopathy is like that. If you don't keep on learning and you don't keep on practicing it, you
Very
will forget
true.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
You will forget everything, no matter how much you have learned, how much you have scored in your exams in your UG, but you will forget if
Correct.
you not keep on practicing. So then I decided to give my resignation at the hospital. But then again, the notice period was there.
Correct.
So I came to know about the app from Aditi Rawal, Dr.
Yeah,
Aditi Rawal.
yeah.
She was my immediate senior.
Yeah.
And when I saw her that she got such
Yeah,
a
she
great
was a
rank,
ranker.
and she motivated me a lot to do MD. And even one of my batchmates, she's Dr. Parvati, she also secured 64 rank when
Okay.
in her time. She was doing internship with
Yeah.
me only. So then I got motivated by looking at my friends that even I can do that. You can feel like your friends can do, then even you can do if you give your 100%. So in October I gave my resignation. I took the app, but I did not get any time to watch the videos
Yeah.
because I was exhausted by my day duty. In night I used to get 1 or 2 hours. I used to watch the videos, and watching videos I used to sleep.
Sleep.
I used to go to sleep
Yeah.
only. Then I thought, no, I have to fatafat complete
Yeah.
this period and start my study. So October, actually the notice period was 3 months. So October, November and December. 3 months I did my notice period in both the hospitals. So after December, 31st December was my last day of the duty. I celebrated New Year at the hospital. And then 1st Jan I started preparing for my AIPGT exams and dedicated my time for the completely for the app. And there also I was stuck. So I used to message sir only, sir, how to start from the
Yeah.
app. I took them, but I don't know what to watch, from where to watch the videos, where to start. So sir gave the schedule for weekly.
Yeah,
schedule. So
yeah.
that helped me a lot. So I was sticking to the schedule only.
Okay.
So I was following the schedule. The initial 2 to 3 months I followed the schedule. Then I made up my own schedule because then you get the hang
Yeah,
of
yeah,
it.
yeah.
So you can now
You can go ahead
decide,
also with the schedule.
you can get ahead how to go. But first 3 months I studied for like 4 to 5 hours. I used to dedicate, but then also I wanted my recreation time also because I was exhausted by my
Yeah,
hospitals
yeah, yeah,
and
it
all. I wanted,
happens.
I'll study and then I'll play badminton. I'll go to the park. I'll meet my friends. I did everything first 3 months. And in Feb also we had a Kumbh Mela also.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I went
yeah.
there also. I
Oh,
traveled a lot during this time. So this was like a vacation period for me also. Studying, giving your time to yourself, because when you're in hospitals and when you're engaged in that, once you become an RMO, so I feel like you don't have your personal life.
correct.
That is
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
drawback of working in a hospital. So that I dedicated my so I'll get around 6 months I got. Jan, Feb, March, yeah, 6 months I got to prepare completely for my MD. First 3 months I studied for 3 to 4 hours. But then later 3 months, when you get the
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
timetable and everything, then 12 hours.
12 hours a day.
That was my schedule. Like,
So basically, it is that you have to really study. Even if you study for 4 to 5 hours a day, but with a lot of focus, it's not very difficult, correct? Yeah. So the next question that I would like to ask you both is that which books would you recommend?
So I
Or
basically,
maybe what were you referring?
I referred Success and Sir's magnum opus notes. Plus, I would recommend that my friends told me Kaizen is a very good book, and Target.
Target,
These two
yeah.
books, Target and Kaizen, other books, but I prefer Success and magnum opus notes.
What about you, Astha?
I actually referred only magnum opus notes because I had a bundle of so many notes that I don't know what all book I should refer now. This much only is enough for me. So I studied all notes. I used to make notes like watching videos.
Okay.
So every subject, every video which I have watched, I have made notes of that because you can't go and watch again and again the videos. That is little like you have your notes so you will get
Yeah.
quick reference. So I watched the notes and I watched my notes and I read. And also I referred Kaizen for organon materia and for homeopathy subjects.
Okay.
And for MCQs also, you get extra MCQs.
Yeah.
And also one turning point book which I
Yeah,
referred.
yeah.
That was for the end because there are many question papers there. So that was like for end revision.
Correct.
That quick revision with your turning point. So I referred these 3 books on.
That's what we tell students because they always ask us about notes. So we always tell them that you make your own notes. That really helps you out because while you are making your notes, you remember it quite well. So that's really good what you both said. Next, like what we observed regarding Honey was initially Honey was scoring around 200, 250 in the grand test and then it progressed to 300. So how did that change happen, or like how did that progress happen from 250 to 300?
So, like 250, that score was from my knowledge also, which I gained throughout, and plus I was like that only during my internship period. I used to study like 2 to 3 to 4 hours max. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
Correct.
So through that, and I was like, my seniors all told, and my classmates also told कि instead of studying theory this much, you can't retain everything. It's not possible to remember everything. So the many MCQs you solve, that will help you.
Correct.
So I used to just give test, even if like it was like if FMT test is there, CM test is there, your material medical this topic. Even if I was not like I have not studied, I used to give test.
Okay.
I wanted to know ki how much I know and what
Correct.
are the things which I am lacking and I want to make it strong. Like if this is important and I have not studied or I don't know about this particular topic. Like about when I remember this used to come in every test about consciousness, that level,
Yeah.
brain,
Yeah.
RT or
Yeah.
anything. I used to forget every time that scores.
Yeah.
So till last day I was revising that thing because in every test that was that question had came. So this were the small topics which like even if you don't study the theory and you do the MCQs. So like in Magnum Opus you have like MCQs ke niche after solving the test. So you get that
result and you also get the solutions. Yeah.
So even if you look at the solution, like there was MELD score,
Yeah.
comma scale. So this all things I studied through MCQs only. I didn't went like source notes are there or API book.
Correct.
No, MCQ ke niche the solutions, that only I referred and that helped me. The more MCQs I solved, I got confidence ki yeah, even if I have not studied, I apply a little logic like assertive reasoning. Magnum Opus is best when assertive reasoning questions comes. Magnum Opus is the best because I joined 2-3 other things for test series and success also. There is only plain MCQ basis, but assertive reasoning hardly you get anywhere.
Correct.
Magnum Opus helped me strengthen my that thing about assertive reasoning, logical questioning. Even if you don't study and you apply some logic, like similar questions are there, so you can solve the thing. So that made me this thing. And like Dr. Astha said, last 3 or 2 months you have to study like 12 hours, 14 hours. Yeah, you have to do that. Like last 2-3 months are there, you have to study for like at minimum 12 hours. You have to sit at one place, you have to study, and yes, give some time for your
recreational activity.
Yeah, because I also did that thing. There are some people who completely like close all the social media. No, I was there on social media. I used to go out Saturday, Sunday. I used to go out with my friends. I used to hang out. I used to go to good place to eat. That like
dopamine. Yeah, you need that kick also.
Yeah, like entire week I used to study. I used to not meet anyone like entire week. But Saturday, Sunday, I used to call my friend and say, कि आज मिलना है करके. शाम में we have to go out at least for 2 hours, 3 hours. I used to go every Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
So that was there. बाकी entire week I used to study.
Astha also, I think she was scoring quite good in all the tests. So how did you, what was your strategy? Like initially you must be seeing ki chalo my marks are around 200. Then you must have gone to 270, 300. So was it same? The preparation was same, or you were changing something in your schedule or maybe your revision?
Initially, actually, my plan was simple. Like I will read my notes, then I'll solve MCQ. I did not do like first MCQ and then this actually I could not do when I started first solving MCQs na, so that was not possible for me. So like everyone, it differs for
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah.
The preparation differs. For me it was first I'll read the MCQs, first I'll read my notes, I'll watch the lectures, and then I will go to the MCQs.
Okay.
So I could not solve any MCQ if I've not read that topic. Like if I've not read FMT, then I don't go to FMT. I've touched only the MCQs after I did my theory for that part. So like initially it was following the schedule of Magnum Opus only, the weekly schedule which was there, and the weekly grand test.
Yeah.
Actually the grand test now for me it was like initially I used to score good. Like 280, I used to
Yeah,
get, I used to
yeah.
get 270, so I used to get happy. Like,
Yeah.
and one thing which I did not do, which I will recommend others
Yeah.
to do, that revision, which was initially I did not start revising.
Yeah.
So you should start revision from initially. You should not wait last 3 months. I will revise last 2 months. Don't wait for that time because it will be too late. You will think that I will give this many days for this many subjects.
Never
That will be
happens.
too late. Revise every week, and after, at the end of every video, sir and ma'am was everyone used to say, "Do revise, do
Do
revise." So it was your call.
Yeah.
Do revise this topic again. So, like initially when I used to get 280, 270 and all, I used to become happy. But then later when the grand test ka weeks, get extended, then you see that I forgot the CVS
Yeah.
videos now. Then I forgot what I learned, RS and all. So you have to revise again. If in the grand test question there is CVS and RS, and now you have only studied CNS recently. So don't only revise CNS, revise again CVS and RS
Correct.
again. If you have reached Allen keynotes, like you reached up to letter B, so you have to again revise letter A.
Correct.
This you have to do every time, then only you will retain. Otherwise,
It's very volatile.
It's very volatile. Everything will evaporate.
That was my next question actually about revision, but you all have already answered that. So important is revision.
Yeah.
Without revision, I don't think any entrance you can score well because we have so many subjects to study. And also, I want to ask you, like, were you both studying, like, you both were studying only one subject at a time, or were you all, doing three subjects at a time, or maybe See, some students have got कि नहीं एक ही पढ़ना है, but some students feel कि नहीं let us study three subjects at a time. Maybe थोड़ा change भी होता है. So what was your thing like? Were you studying one subject or you were combining subjects?
Like for a day, one subject is no. You have to study. Like my plan was, I used to जो main subjects है like medicine, gynec, जो homeopathic subjects है that तो you have to study every day. Materia medica, repertory, OP. I used to study every day. And medicine. I have studied like every day.
So basically you were revising every day.
Yeah, revision is must, because when I talked to sir also, because I was stuck what to do, because I haven't started repertory till March, I remember.
Okay.
Till March, like theory part was there, because I have in our college repertory faculty was good, so they have prepared us so good for repertory. So theory part was very good, but the this rubrics part,
Yeah, hunting and all.
Yeah. So till March I haven't started, and that time I guess I called sir and he told me ki baki subjects you have to revise, and for repertory give 60 days. Then from March mid, I guess somewhat, I started, and exact 60 days I studied, and repertory was also till the end. It was good. Like main three repertories, Kent, Boric and BBCR. You have to do that. Others repertory just refer
Yeah.
भी किया, just year क्या है, कितने remedies है उसमें वगैरह. That too is good. And about other subjects like gynec, surgery, like if this month I am doing gynec completely, next month after 15 days start again revising.
Correct.
Because it is volatile.
Yeah.
Gynec, it was little difficult. Ops,
Yeah.
I have to revise it multiple times. Surgery was quite थोड़ा बहुत easy. Pathology वगैरह I had to revise. Like twice to thrice I did revision in
Okay.
that last 3 months.
What about you, Astha?
I also somewhat similar. I used to do 2-3 subjects in a day,
Okay.
and materia medica daily.
Yeah.
Daily I have to do 1 or 2 drugs and revise before ka drugs
Correct.
also at the same time. Try to revise 2 or 3 drugs
Yeah.
at one day, because you cannot revise all 10-15 drugs. 2-3 drugs at one time. And also if I'm watching some serious lectures, and I used to make a point that I'll watch 10 lectures at least today. 10 or 12 I will watch. This was my target, because if I'll keep a target of watching all
Correct.
63 lectures,
Yeah,
then
not possible.
that is not possible, and it will be very boring also
Yeah.
for me to watch the same concept again and again. So I used to divide my time, like CVS, then next I'll change to Organon. I will watch 10 aphorism videos, and then I will change to Gynec, some 2-3 videos, because the schedule was like that only. The schedule was
Yeah.
framed in such a way that it will not let you where you'll not get bored
Yeah.
with the schedule. You will,
Mix of everything. Yeah.
So you'll be motivated also.
Yeah.
ये खत्म करके अभी ये करना है.
करना है.
So that was.
So basically, schedule helped you both. Like you both were
Yes.
following, and Astha had gone a bit ahead of schedule also. That's good because it gives you a map key. How do we have to go about it? So that really is helpful. Next important question I want to ask you both is that when you saw the paper AIPGG 25, did you feel any similarity or difficulty level with our test series that we give you all for practicing? Was there any similarity, any difference, or the difficulty level? What was it about? दोनों पेपर के बीच में.
Similarity, yes, it was there. Some about difficulty level, I think the paper was not that difficult compared to test series.
Yeah.
Because test series make you so perfect and so that you
Yeah.
for me the paper was average. It was 60-40. 60% it was easy, 40% there were things like the same thing. I had studied that question like way back, and I was not remembering, and I was confused between two options. So whether should I do or should I not do, and I did. And I had that nightmares also. I think I did wrong. But when I saw the answer key, and I was like, it was right.
Yeah.
So this is there ki when even if you study like 40%, even if you keep revising that 40%, you will get good marks, because questions repeats the thing which you have studied, which you have read, which you have saw. The same things come, but if the framing of question is something,
Usually, very different.
the pattern is same, but the answer framing, they make you confused.
Yeah.
So other thing, it is quite similar. It was similar.
It's very important, I think, to have your basics clear.
Yeah.
Then you can solve anything.
Yes.
Studying from the basic, and nowadays the paper is not that easy that you just solve it and ho jata hai. You have to know the basics, you have to understand the subject, and then only I think you can solve the paper. And now tell me, who's your favorite faculty?
Like if MD purpose, I would practice of medicine or pediatrics.
Okay.
Yes, I want this. Main first option is my practice of medicine. I want practice of medicine.
Okay. And for you, Astha?
I also want medicine or materia. Materia also I like, but I think if I get organon and repertory, that will help me more, because materia. So if I take organon and repertory or any other subject, materia, so you have to learn only. These subjects is like you take any branch,
Yeah,
you're going to learn materia, you're going to learn the medicine part. But if I take organon, if I take repertory, so that will, I think, increase my knowledge from other
Homeopathy also.
other subjects.
Correct. That's very important. How did you handle stress, you both? Because while you're preparing and also you're doing your internship, it becomes a little stressful. So what you both did so that you could manage your stress well?
Like for me, I had a lot of stress because the time period was very less, and I have to cover up like study of many things. So for me, my like whenever I used to get like thoda anxiety वगैरह, I used to call my brother. He used
Okay.
to handle me like it will happen. चाहिए तो go down, walk. So I used to go in the campus. Like I used to stay close by to my college campus.
Okay.
So I used to like evening time, like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I used to study वगैरह. Then for like thoda to get
Yeah,
freshen up. So I used to go in my campus. I used to walk, and then I used to come. Then again, I some days only I used to like music. I used to listen to
Okay.
music. It helped me a lot, like music. And I used to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was real. And yeah, also you have to like, you can't completely shut down
Yeah,
yourself
yeah.
from, because that will lead to more stress and you will feel like depressed.
Correct.
Because for me that happened like I used to like I had an engineering roommate.
Okay.
So during my peak period, like May, June, she had vacation for like she had
Yeah.
a PL. So she was not there. So like for 1.5 months or 2 months, I was alone in my room. So that was very this thing. So I used to go to my other friends. She was not from medical field. She was from other field. She was my school friend.
Okay.
So she used to go for job. So I used to go at her room.
Okay.
And some days I stayed there and I studied there. I told her, Baba, aisa hai. She said, you can come anytime. I was like, okay. So you have to have friends, and surrounding should be good, so that will help you a lot.
Yeah. What about you, Astha?
Actually, for me, my family has helped me a lot during my stress. Like, it's like I am handling the stress of my exams and they are handling me. So, and I used to like start crying only, not even like getting depressed or sitting silent. I used to start crying. मम्मी नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, मैंने गलत डिसीजन. I used to say literally these
Oh.
words. कि मम्मी मैंने गलत डिसीजन ले लिया, जाओ क्या वापस हॉस्पिटल में. I used to say this also. नहीं हो रहा, मुझसे याद ही नहीं हो रहा, because there are some subjects like you have to only remember.
Correct.
Like repertory
You
is
have to
like
mug
you
up.
have to mug up
Yeah.
everything. There's nothing like understanding. Medicine and knowledge, like you can understand also once you watch videos, and once that concept is stuck in your mind, then you don't need anything
Yeah,
else to
yeah.
remember. But these remembering wala subjects was very scary for me. Then years, jahan pe that years came na, I used to like everything jumbled up, and whatever mnemonics you make, anything you make, you have to just keep on revising that. So my family helped me a lot, and I will really like to appreciate Dr. Hani, because she was not with the family and still she
Yeah,
managed
yeah.
her stress. For me, they helped me a lot. My sister, my mother, and all, they used to motivate me a lot. And whenever I used to cry, they like, "Ja badminton khel." Badminton. So I did that, and then I came up again in my house, and then I used to again get motivated to study more.
Correct.
So that helped me a lot. My family was like
Pillar
I
of
owe them this
support.
success, because without them I could not manage alone. So that was not my this cup of tea, but yeah, they helped me a lot.
Okay. At Magnum Opus, we have got a big faculty, correct? We have a lot of teachers. So who was your favorite teacher?
For me, Dr. Viren sir's medicine lectures were like, because जितना मैंने like college period में नहीं समझा या कुछ topics like CNS, the lectures, the notes were so amazing of CNS. Personal favorite was CNS and CBS for me.
The most
practice.
difficult.
Yeah, but I had interest in CBS from
Okay,
first.
from the beginning.
Yeah, and CNS was not that much like base was not there of mine.
Correct.
CNS ka. So the lectures, right from the starting lecture to end lecture, I have made videos of CBS, CNS, everything of GUT वगैरह. But my personal topic, favorite practice of medicine, CBS and CNS, and also OPS lectures. Because OPS was Gynec basically
It was
was
difficult.
for me in college also. So before starting Gynec, I took 3 days. Should I start? I was like, hoga nahi hoga mere se. But your lectures of Gynec OPS was my favorite. Yes.
What about you, Astha?
I liked all lectures basically, because whatever professors were teaching that topic, they were teaching very well. But I will say that medicine lectures, of course,
Yeah.
Viren sir have taught, like he made medicine so easy. Like CNS is very difficult. If you go and study
Actually,
from
it's very
book, it is
confusing.
really, CVS is fir bhi chalo, because you have studied in your UG, you gave importance to CVS. But CNS is like, bichara, it is neglected in your UG topic. So you don't give that much. Like even ENT, I will really like, it was very commendable. Your lectures were like, because ENT na I had kept for last only. I don't want to touch ENT because it is so boring. ENT is like, and there are such small space में इतने सारे
Yeah.
structures, how you will remember everything. But you made ENT lectures very easy. And PSM also, I will say that PSM was not my favorite subject at all. These are all not favorite, and you all made the lectures very easy for me. So that helped me a lot.
I remember Dr. Viren was always showing me so many screenshots that Astha sent him about so many doubts. So did that help you
I was
out?
filled with doubts. Even if I was stuck in one MCQ, I used to immediately send a screenshot. I asked my sisters, phone de भेजना है, कितना phone लेती है मेरा, and I used to take and then send sir इसका answer ये होना चाहिए ना, sir इसका answer ये है ना. Because and whenever I was stuck in any MCQ, I will recommend that first go to the source book.
Correct.
And then check the answer, what do you feel is the answer, and then you can ask your doubts. So that I used to do. Even at night, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., I used to send my doubts.
Yeah.
Because whenever you're studying,
Yeah, you should always do that. And what about you? Even I think you were posting
Yes.
all the doubts, and
Yes.
so doubt solving was getting
Yeah.
done properly, correct?
Yes.
That's great. Now, I would like to ask you that, see, in today's day and age, there's a lot of distractions around, correct? Social media, Instagram. See, obviously, you have to have some amount of social life,
Yes.
but what made you feel कि नहीं, I have to do it? So, if you would like to, recommend your juniors कि what made you कि नहीं, ये करना ही है? What kept you motivated?
First thing, you have to have like from inside कि you have to crack the exam, then वो अंदर से आना चाहिए तुमको कि ठीक है, distractions and all are there, but for me also I am mobile addict basically.
Okay.
My family says me every time, but I made it that much determinant for myself कि no, I have to crack the exam. rank I and I, that was a different thing, but with a good score so that I can get a good college.
Correct.
So you have to make a schedule and keep that time. If you have like 5 to 6 p.m, that will be your social life. You go out,
Correct.
watch a movie, you watch some podcast or anything on YouTube वगैरह. So that time means 5 o'clock start or 5, that time differs. But 6 o'clock is the end time. You have to end that thing and you have to get back to your work.
Correct.
That you have to like, वो अंदर से आना ही चाहिए.
You have to maintain the discipline.
Yeah, you have to be disciplined throughout the, like, starting से तो नहीं, but जो initial after the internship gets over, like the 3 to 4 months last के, you have to be very consistent, disciplined होना ही
होना ही
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
That will only help. If you are like कि हाँ ठीक है देने के लिए दे रहे, तो वो कभी नहीं होगा. You have to make yourself that strong and that determinant कि I have to do it, then you have to.
Absolutely. What about you, Asta?
Yes, I will also recommend the same thing, that you have to be focused. So one thing you can do is, like, before starting your preparation, you can think of a college. Like,
Correct.
you can think of a target. Like, I want to get into NIH Kolkata. You can think of the target and think of a, like, then you know that what rank you need, what is your category, what is your means,
Yeah.
which state you belong to, and what is your preparations strategy. So think of a college, think of a branch. It doesn't matter if you get it
Yeah.
or not, but you think of that branch and keep that in target. You can, like, keep that name of the
Yeah.
college and stick it somewhere, and then that will motivate you. Because I did not stick the college name, but I used to always
It was in your
tell
mind.
people that I want to get into Kolkata. Anyhow, I wanted to get. So I did not tell anyone that this much rank I need, this much I need. I used to just say that Kolkata to chahiye, but government seat to chahiye.
Chahiye.
This should be your target. Then you will start focusing. And if you get any distractions, like if you want to go to Instagram, if you want to watch YouTube videos, I will recommend you watch. But
It should
there
be
also
a-
you can watch, like I used to watch Instagram videos also of Matina Medical only. That was very
Oh.
interesting for me. And there were some videos of some MCQs where one professor used to solve one MCQ in one video, and they used to solve like so nicely, like so, and explain so beautifully that you will fall in love with. So when you go
Oh.
to Instagram, there also you will study only.
Correct.
So that is also your studying time only. So even if you like you're enough done with the books or done with this, then you can go there.
Correct. So you have to use it like that,
Yes.
basically. Now coming to the end, I want to ask you, both of you, which is your dream college and which branch are you looking for?
For me, I want to go to Nehru Homeopathic College, Delhi, and practice of medicine will be the first priority.
Choice,
Yes.
okay. And about you, Asta?
I want to go into Kolkata, but it is little difficult with my rank. I will have to try for it. But if not Kolkata, then I'll try in UP or some college where, because that is my hometown.
Oh.
And UP is my hometown, so I can be comfortable there and adjust there very well.
But definitely you both are going to get a government seat because you both have secured such a good rank. So now basically I would like to ask you the last question. What made you choose Magnum Opus? Like there are multiple options in the market, okay, but what made you choose Magnum Opus?
Seniors to told me, but I was like कि I will search some or others also. But when I saw like description and all, I preferred Magnum Opus only, and I had the senior. She also suggested me कि go for Magnum Opus only because the way they the lectures are put up, the material is there, the test series. I don't think any other apps or any other coaching gives you so much wide range of MCQs. Like it was the best because I have seen Sir's notes. I guess I saw GUT ka 1, 2, 3 notes of my senior.
Okay.
She was 2 years senior from me, so like she had also made. So I just saw essay and I was like that the way she wrote was also so easily explained, and I was like yeah, this will be the thing that will help me.
Okay.
So I opt for Magnum Opus.
Okay. What about you, Asta?
I was recommended by Dr.
Aditi.
And I trusted her. But she recommended me that, but I chose the app on my own because when I watched the demo lectures, and there are few things which I will say that it is only in this app. One is the videos are short, 20,
Yeah.
30 minutes. That I love, because other coaching institutes or other coaching apps, when you see the videos are 1 hour long, and that much is not my attention
Actually,
span.
yeah.
I fall asleep after half an hour if someone is speaking continuously. But the way you all taught and the using different colors, pens and all,
Yeah.
that is also very eye catching. It will not let you fall asleep
Correct.
if you watch the videos like that. And when you make your notes, especially when you're writing, then it is difficult to fall asleep.
Yeah.
So that I liked, and one is a schedule which you have prepared. That was also good, and the weekly mock test, that was very nice for me, because that will motivate you to study for another week. So you will have that next Sunday big test dena, and you have to score well in that test. And the rank list which comes, so you when you see your name in the rank, so you get motivated. The next time is super rank चाहिए. And that all motivated me. And these app features were not there in other app. So yeah.
So thank you so much for joining, and I would like to wish you both very best for your future. I know you all will fly higher. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.